Did you know that you can now test that SMS messages that you are sending to your customers are indeed received by them? Hi, my name is Case. Did you know that you can use the Spearline API to test if an SMS message will deliver before you send it to your customer? With the SMS verifier, you can use a Spearline number to test that your numbers correctly receive messages sent by your customers from within the customer's country. You can also test that SMS messages sent by you from your numbers are correctly received by your customers in different countries. This is done by sending an SMS message via the Spearline API to a Spearline number within the customer's country. You can check whether those SMS messages are correctly received on your devices. And also, it gives you information such as the SMS ID, the timestamp, the user ID, destination, and much more. You can also access live data and analytics, which will highlight which SMS messages were received and which ones weren't via a Spearline API query. In case of an SMS failing to deliver, you will be the first to know, allowing you to take the necessary steps to rectify the issue. Contact us today about this feature on the Spearline platform, which gives you more control over the numbers that you test.